Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Skoda Kodiaq SE. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 38 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 15 and the car has full service history with Skoda and has covered just over 42,000 miles. This particular colour is the metallic race blue and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As for everything inside, first of all, you've got the nice clean interior there. The seats are really supportive, and there's an armrest there in the centre for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you've got your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has Apple Carplay, climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card there, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. The Kodiaq's a great car for the family, so loads and loads of legroom and headroom, almost like a limousine there in the back. So ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. And then you also have your 3 seat belts on the rear bench, and rear passengers also have their own air vents, as well as pockets in the back of the front seats. As we open the tailgate on the Kodiaq, you have the really good sized boot there, nice and practical, goes back quite a long way, with the split folding rear seats. The parcel shelf is tucked or stored underneath the floor there, so that's nice and practical out the way. And then you also have your 3rd row of seats, which are folded down at the moment, but when they are raised, you have your extra row of seats in the back to total the 7 seats in total, so really practical car. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance which is 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.